Right. Here's the cunning plan. So that'll be on the bottom of the quad bike. This will be attached to the machine. So you ride your quad bike up, line it up, put the pin in, it's attached. Now we're going to weld a couple of straight bars, and then these will go inside 2-inch tube, which so that it can be adjustable if you need to. So that's the plan for the next job. Where's my too big. Right, a bit more jiggery pokery. Fine. Right. basically now there'll be another one of those on the other end, which will attach to the flail mower, but using 2-inch box, which will be have a couple of holes in for adjusting lengthwise. Right, so I've got to figure out where those are going to fit on the quad. So right, I'll do for now. I'll see you later. Right, another day. This is this is the bracket from the quad bike to the flail mower, and these are going to be the attachment brackets, and then on the other side they'll have multiple holes so that the flail mower can tilt in any direction that it wants to. So those are going to go on there. So we'll line all that up. I think the best thing is to use one of my chunky magnets and to blow off. Right. You will be attached. There we go. Right, like that. And the one will go there. There. I don't know what's going on there. There we go, upside down, Tonka toy. Yeah, it's that way. What I'll do when I put the other ones on is I'll probably bolt the other ones to these and then weld it, because otherwise it'll be it could be out. So anyway, those should be. Just want to see if there's a slight difference in the metal on the front. Oh yeah, I think I'll cut that little bit off there. Very slight variations when you plasma cut things together. That's better. So that will now line up with that one. Yeah. Right. Let's just take. Like that. Gosh, blooming hot again today. Tack these on for now. Right, that should be good. I think what I might do is make the brackets for the other ones, line everything up before I weld it completely. Alright, I'll get on and make the brackets for the other ones. Back in a bit. Right, those are the brackets, I think. And that will go in there. And then that'll be able to pivot. I'll do the holes as and when I need them. So for now, that's that. So the weld those in place. All in one go. Good. Where's the level? Oh, spot on. Absolutely perfect. Weld that on that side, I just want to pull a tiny bit. And weld that one at the top. One on that side so it don't pull. Lovely. Well, I certainly couldn't do that with the other welder. Weld for that long. That would have gone put, bang. Not at this thickness anyway. That would have definitely gone put, bang. Tiny gap there. That'll be perfect all the time. I can't see that. Perfect. Perfect. Wonderful. Absolutely bally wonderful. Lovely. Right. My bearings came this morning, so I could get on with the rollers as well now. So, right, I'm going to smooth all these edges, clean that all off, and round these corners so they're not sharp, and just cut some of the edges off so they're not sharp. And I'll be back. I'll see you shortly. Hello again. Right, I've done the end flapping plates. Got my bearings. These are going to go in here, and they're going to be for the roller, the back roller. Oh, let me just put you in here. I think what I'm going to use is a piece of scaffold tube, heavy metal scaffold tube with some plates welded in the end, and then I've got some bar which will double weld in and then go into the bearing. This hasn't got to really do a massive amount, it's only the roller on the back. It's not really doing an awful lot. The wheels take the weight, and really, so it's just squishing the grass, making nice lines sort of thing. So that's the plan. I've got to go and find a piece of scaffold tube. I think I've got some metal one, and then we'll do that. It's got a fair amount to throw, so, and then we'll put those bearings on the end, and they'll go through there. So, and then these little short nuts and bolts through there. So that's the next one. So I'll see about doing that. I'm going to see if I can find a piece of tube, and I'll see you in a bit.